Look what was left on the doorstep. Yes. Let's take it. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am so bloody excited right now. Guess what came in the box? The box already gives it away. Oh my goodness. It says Travelpro, the choice of flight crews and frequent travelers. So I went to the pool earlier today, and nothing had arrived and was supposed to arrive by tomorrow. And then when I was tracking the package all day, every day since the time I purchased this. And then yesterday I found out it was supposed to arrive sometime today. So in the morning I was just like, I woke up excited. I could barely sleep last night because I was so excited. So it's finally here. Oh my god. Shall we open it? Let's open it. Okay. I have traveled a lot in the past. Look at my upbringing. I'm basically a gypsy. I've done a lot of traveling back and forth from Canada to America to England, back and forth all the time. It gets tiring. But one thing I do know about is you know, how to pack a good travel bag, and I am always looking for a better travel bag. I haven't found the perfect travel bag. I have traveled with so many different bags in the past, and I really, the last time I traveled, it was just with a Herschel backpack, and that served my purposes. It wasn't like the best travel bag, because like when you place it under the seat, you have to turn it over on its back, and then you have to access everything like that. And then if something's at the bottom of the bag, in backpacks you have to stuff everything and kind of stack everything and layer things. And I mean, while it's good for short flights, whatever, I just want that perfect tote, that all-around perfect tote that isn't only good for a 1 hour flight, but that would be good for a 14-hour flight. I want one perfect tote. And ever since I had purchased my Travelpro Pathways backpack, the mini backpack, I kind of fell in love with the company. And then I I discovered through YouTube and forums, things like that Travelpro is a staple amongst flight crew, especially flight attendants. Oh my goodness. I got this brand new for $76 and some change. I can't remember, 76.80 something, 76.30 something, I don't know. It was $76. Anyway. Oh my goodness. I can already see how beautiful she is. Let's angle the camera downwards a bit so you can see this. Oh my goodness. Brand new smell. I'm so excited. Wow, she weighs like nothing. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Feet. It's got feet. Okay, this is my favorite. If you've seen my older videos, I'm obsessed with hidden magnetic closures. I love it. It's so convenient. It's got really cute Travelpro logo right there. It's showing up more pink, I guess, on camera. Maybe I can't tell right now because the ring light's kind of distorting my vision. But it's like a muted mauve. It's like a purpley pink. It's got this cute little bag charm. It's like fob. It is vegan Saffiano leather. Here are the tags. So this is the Travelpro Maxlite 5 ladies tote. It is 21 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in depth. And that works out to be 53 centimeters in length, 28 centimeters in height, and 14 centimeters in depth, or width, I should say. This is really, really cool. I just can't believe how light it is. It's so light and it's stuffed with things right now. So it's got this top zip. It's got a beautiful zip. Wow. I'm so excited. This is going to be my lawyer bag, you guys. Oh my god. It is perfect. People say it's a perfect work tote, a perfect travel tote, a perfect baby bag, school tote. It'd be everything. Ooh, I love it. Prenez une photo. Envoyez-la. Basically take a photo and basically upload it, whether it's a messenger, online, whatever. You can send it. You can send the envoyer is like send it. You could send it to you could text the photo, you could send it through Facebook or on the website www.travelpro.com/register / oh, here's the English. Take a photo, send it in. So that's cool. So this is it. It's got this kind of like a cross stitch pattern on the lining inside. You see that? On this side, okay. This is the padded sleeve for some silica gel bags for the laptop. Let's see how my 11-inch MacBook fits inside. It's supposed to fit up to, okay, I can't see it fitting a 13-inch unless it was in the back. 12, oh, I don't know, 12-inch perhaps, but I don't know if it would fit a 13-inch. But it fits really well. You could either fit it in the front or the back. You could put the laptop in the back and then you could have like an iPad in the front. But these pockets here, because the whole bag is padded anyway, so it doesn't matter which pocket you put your laptop in or your tablet or your iPad, it's going to be protected either way. It's just in this front pocket it's going to be exposed more, and in the back, as you can see, it's going to be more hidden. Easy access, I love that. Wow, it's perfect. Then on this side, it's got this zippered compartment. It's kind of a shallow pocket, which can be nice too, so you're not digging too deep in your bag. And then these pockets. And just to let you know, they do not go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. They are for easy access, so they're not too deep. You put your pens, keys, wallet, you can put all kinds of stuff in here. And then on the side, you have one slip pocket, perhaps for a brolly, or like a small bottle of water, or some snacks, or a vape stick, I don't know. This is my favorite part, you guys. The front magnetic compartment just for your phone. And you could also put your wallet and keys and everything in there as well. It's really, really large. I love it. And I really love that magnetic closure. So cool. And then you've got this part that you can slip over the telescopic handle of your luggage, of your rolling luggage, and a separate pocket to keep your documents, your passport, your tickets safe. Everything is so easily accessible with this bag. And the great thing is the weight will be in your stuff and not the bag. So that means you can put more stuff in there without it. I can already tell that I'm going to really, really enjoy using her. She's perfect. And she's squishy. So with Spirit Air, I could squish her in. They're only anal if your bag looks like a briefcase or like a structured luggage, because the dimensions can't really be changed. But if you're carrying a duffel or a tote or something soft, you don't have to be too strict about the dimensions unless you pack it so full that you are exceeding the dimensions. But if you're packing normally and you can still squish it into that measuring unit that they have at the check-in counters, you're going to be fine. And this is great. It's kept in mind like that it goes under the seat. That's why it's short. It's a bit short. So, but it fits a hell of a lot. You can already tell. I love it. I love the color because it's not like a basic, like, you know, the black one's really nice. You can find the black tote version by, oh God, I can't remember her channel. I'll link it below though. She bought the black one. She's the only YouTuber that had a review on this bag before I purchased it, and it was because of her review, which is why I just made the go ahead to purchase it, because it was beautiful. She has a black one, it looks nice too, but I personally don't like black bags, just never have. I just like colored bags. So I think black bags are just, especially in the legal field, they're so like everyone's got one. I just want something different, and I can spot it, you know what I mean? The black just blends in with my really black hair. So it's, I want something to contrast with me. And I think this is great. People have complained in the reviews that because there are spaces at the side, if you have small, tiny items floating around your bag, if you put your bag upside down, it will fall out. I don't pack like that though. I don't just throw in random items into my bag. So yeah, okay, see, that happens, but I'm not that kind of person. That's why there's pockets. That's why you have organizational pouches. So this is just to keep everything on the whole secure, so your laptop doesn't fall out and the whole bulk of it doesn't fall out. I don't think it's a good idea to keep just random little things floating around and then you are digging through and you look like that crazy bitch at the airport dumping all her shit on the floor, just like, no, it's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere. I'm not like that. I know where all my things are, and I place all the smaller items in pockets that they provide, like zippered pockets, or little pouches and things that are going to be placed in here, like, you know, your battery packs or this is great for even media stuff, like your charging cables, your plug, things like that, and that's going to stay secure in the pocket. And when it's closed, you really have to, and when everything's in there, you really have to take an effort to make those things fall out if they're already in the pockets and things like that. So I'm not worried. I'm not a walking calamity either. I'm really careful. And why is your bag going to go upside down? Are you just going to be like carrying it and be like, like I said, I'm not a walking calamity, and if you are, maybe you should rethink of, you know, should you be traveling? I don't know. But if you're like a normal person who takes reasonable care of things, you shouldn't have a problem with it not being like a full zipper. Most tote bags are open anyway. This just gives a little added security to an open tote bag concept. This is great. I love it. The muted color is so great. It's still, do you know what I mean? It's still professional looking, and I can't wait. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to be doing a pack with me video with it, so keep a lookout. Thank you very much for watching my review. Oh my god, I'm in love. Bye. My Mana cup is like literally the same color as my new bag. How funny. Look, they match. So I'm just gonna do this. up close video so you guys can see the details. Obviously, more up close. So it's got these cute vegan Saffiano leather zipper pulls. Very secure, they're stitched, they are riveted, built for durability. I really like this pocket. This is a really, really cool pocket. Sometimes you get the bags that have a zip just so you can place it over the luggage, but it's not a pocket. Like this is a pocket and it works as a sleeve to put the handle through. Smart, really, really smart. Such cute details on the bag. And it's always good to have a separate phone compartment because so you're not rummaging through your bag and like looking separately for your phone. I'm gonna consider getting this bag for my mum. I think she could use this. Again, excellent that the bag is so lightweight. Here's the zipper pocket on the inside. A large compartment. And you've got the vegan leather lined slip pockets. Then on this side you have your tablet and your laptop pockets. Everything padded. I would say it wouldn't fit up to more than 12 inch. Even though it says 13 inch, I don't think a 13 inch can fit in here. And I read a review that it doesn't. You saw my 11 inch in there and it was already like, you know, there wasn't much room left. I think it's just a beautifully made bag. It's beautiful. And thank you for watching. So this is my new Travelpro Maxlite 5 tote beside my Pathways, my Travelpro Pathways backpack. They are basically the same color. I think this has faded a bit, that's why it's slightly more pink, but if you look on the inside, they are the exact same color. It's that dusty rose color. But they can still be used together and, you know, you can tell they look like they're from the same site, the same material. When I travel a normal airline that allows both a personal item and a carry-on, I will be using these both together. You can see the difference in the fob. The Saffiano leather on the Pathways is closer to the color of the actual canvas of the Maxlite. And yes, and the Maxlite is just slightly lighter. You see? But I think they're beautiful together regardless. They all share the same undertones or whatever. Same exact material. You see size comparison. Great travel items. I'm over traveling with Louis Vuitton. I think I'll still have maybe a Speedy or a Keepall sometimes, but I'll definitely always take a tote, a Travelpro tote. There is a backpack that actually looks like this one. It's called the, I think it's called the Elite, I'm not sure. But it also, instead of this zipper, it actually has this magnetic front pocket for the phone as well.